Deep in the heart of the forest, every fallen leaf hides a secret. In this forest, survival belongs to the smallest warriors. At first glance, it looks just like any ordinary beetle. But it isn't alone. In a split second, the attack begins. But this tiny beetle has a weapon unlike anything else in nature. It fires a blast of boiling chemicals. Forcing even larger predators to retreat. Then it simply walks away. This is the Bombardier Beetle. Barely 2 centimeters long. But hidden inside its tiny body lies one of nature's most extraordinary weapons. Inside its abdomen, 2 tiny chambers store powerful chemicals separately. When danger strikes, those chemicals rush into a special reaction chamber. There, a violent chemical reaction releases intense heat and pressure. The mixture is expelled in rapid pulses, at temperatures approaching the boiling point of water. And remarkably, it can aim this weapon in different directions. Even frogs think twice before making a second attack. This remarkable defense has evolved over millions of years. Thanks to this extraordinary defense, it has survived countless encounters with hungry predators. But this tiny survivor is more than just a master of defense. Instead of waiting, it actively hunts small insects and other tiny invertebrates. Using its sharp jaws, it quickly overpowers prey much smaller than itself. Its powerful jaws make quick work of worms, larvae, ants, and other small creatures. By hunting countless small insects, it helps keep the forest ecosystem in balance. But its greatest secret lies in how it fires its remarkable weapon. Instead of a single blast, it can fire a rapid series of chemical pulses. Even more astonishing, it can rotate its abdomen to aim at attackers from different directions. For many predators, one painful encounter is enough to make them think twice. For such a tiny creature, it possesses one of the most sophisticated defense systems in the insect world. Hidden beneath the fallen leaves, this tiny beetle quietly plays an important role in keeping the forest alive. In nature, greatness isn't measured by size, but by the extraordinary ways life finds to survive. And as the forest grows quiet once more, this tiny survivor disappears, until nature calls it into action again.